Alright guys, here they are. The Angry Bird eyes for the Renegade. Now these ones are a little different than the other ones you'll see, because I found these, I was reading the reviews on them, and they're actually really good. Because, I don't know if you can tell or not, but right here, if it'll focus, there's a little clip. And that clip goes inside the little space between your headlight and the housing. So that'll actually hold on to it. You don't have to rely on just the tape. It clips in 3 spots. It's one clip there, one on the bottom, and one on the other side. Actually 4. It's got 4 clips. Awesome. So these are going to go on a Renegade, and I'll show you what it looks like and how to do it. But it's real simple. Just peel the tape off. Easiest way to get this tape off, tweezers, believe it or not. So you peel the tape off, line it up, the flat spot right up here, with the flat line of the hood on both sides. Put them on there, push them straight in. Those little clips will clip in, the tape will help secure it, and you're all set to go. I'll put the link in the description for these, but we'll see what they look like once we get them in. All right, catch you in a minute. All right, guys, we got the Angry Eyes out here at the Renegade. So we are going to put them on. I can't do it and film at the same time because you need 2 hands to do it. But you're basically going to take one, line it up with the hood, and push it in using your 2 hands, and the back clips will clip in. And I will show you the after, but here's the before. Okay? All right, I'll catch you in a minute. All right, one of them's in. One thing I did forget to mention, use your alcohol wipe. Wipe out the inside. You want to get that nice and clean so the adhesive can stick to it. The little clips, they clip right in. It's no big deal. All right, I'm going to do the other side, and I'll show you in a second when it's done. All right, guys, there you have it. Finished product. So, wicked simple. All you do, you take the backing off, wipe it down with the alcohol, and press them in. They'll clip right in. No big deal. Like I said, I'll put the description or the product link down in the description. And I think next time what I'm going to do, so I'm going to black out the chrome. So I'm going to order that up, and that'll be the next video. But for now, that's it. I like it. All right, catch you later.